Hello children, shall we learn about great personalities of India? Yes, India is our motherland. We should take pride in saying Mera Bharat Mahan. Great people of India. India is a land of great men and women. It is a land of great saints like Guru Nanak Dev and Kabir. Great poets like Kalidas and Rabindranath Tagore. It is the land of brave men and women like Shivaji and Rani Lakshmi Bai, and great freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi. Let us read about some of the great men and women of India. Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap lived from 1545 to 1597. He was a famous Rajput king of Mewar in Rajasthan. Akbar wanted to rule his kingdom, but Rana Pratap never bowed before him. He fought against Akbar all his life. He faced many difficulties but never lost courage. He is considered a great hero of India. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji lived from 1630 to 1680. He was a great Maratha king. Though he was a Hindu, he respected all religions. His mother, Jijabai, was a very wise and noble lady. She taught Shivaji to be brave and love his motherland. Sri Guru Gobind Singh. Sri Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. He created the Khasa Panth in 1699. He fought bravely against the Mughals. He was not only a great warrior but also a famous poet. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai lived from 1835 to 1858. She was the Rani of Jhansi. The British did not accept her adopted son as the rightful king of Jhansi. She fought against this injustice of the British. Even British generals praised her bravery. She died fighting on the battlefield. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak lived from 1856 to 1920. He was a great freedom fighter and wanted Swaraj for India. He was sent to prison many times, but he never gave up hope and kept fighting against the British. He led the foundation of India's freedom struggle. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also a well-known scholar, mathematician and philosopher. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi lived from 1869 to 1948. He was a true Mahatma. He respected all religions and loved peace and truth. He helped India gain freedom. The people of India fondly call him Bapu. Mera Bharat Mahan, Mera Bharat Mahan, Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.